This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and initiating the installer. This saves headaches later. Make sure your laptop meets OS and free disk requirements, then download the Visual Studio Bootstrapper and run it with admin rights. Choose the edition you need: Community, Professional, or Enterprise, based on licensing. Community is free for individuals. Once done, sign in with your Microsoft account so extensions and settings can sync automatically, and proceed to pick workloads that match your projects. You now focus on the installer workload selection. This decides what tools land on your machine. Select only relevant workloads: .NET, C++, Python, web, or mobile, to keep install size small and reduce update time. If you know specific SDKs or compilers required, switch to individual components and tick those items. Make sure to set the install path on a drive with ample space, enable the download cache for faster reinstalls, and then click Install so the process runs unattended. You finish by launching Visual Studio and creating a simple test project to confirm compilers and templates work. Make sure to build and run the test. This verifies tool chains and runtime. If something is missing, open the Visual Studio installer and choose Modify to add workloads or individual components. If installs fail, try Repair from the installer or clear the installer cache and retry. These steps fix corrupted downloads. Finally, configure updates and extensions so your environment stays current and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.